will say my name.
Hey there, I'm Vaishnavi
And I'm Vishnumaya.
and today we're going to do our
Accessory haul.
1, 2, 3, go. And we bought these clips from local store in India and they're really cute. They have this what do you say, this design on it.
Then we bought these jewellery pieces from Sanskruthi.
This is a bracelet from Stradivarius. Yeah.
From Villaggio.
Yeah. This is it. It's really nice. It's just these white pearly beads.
Then my sister got this cute princess tiara clip.
So we bought this bracelet from where did we buy this? From where did we buy it?
My friend knew.
We bought this from a local store when we went for a trip to Europe. We bought this ring.
It's not a ring.
We bought
And by the
this
way,
chain.
we bought.
Okay, we bought it from Stradivarius. We bought these cute clips from Rawnaq. It was 20 Qatar for each.
Then we got this bangles from India from a local store. I bought this for my farewell. It's golden color, so we can. I don't know why she's laughing in between. She had too much chocolate in the morning.
Golden color, it isn't gold.
Okay, I didn't get that one. These bangles, where was it?
In Qatar. Wait.
The gold color makes it match with any clothes, so that's why I like it. And then we bought this locket. I wore this too for my farewell. It's silver, so it matches with all the colors. That's why I mostly buy gold or silver colored stuff.
Okay, now my turn.
Wait, we bought this from a local store in India. It was 100 rupees, I guess.
And I bought this 2 pair of earrings.
Yeah, they are peacock color and they look so good. Bought this blush from Ansar Gallery. It's not a cosmetic shop, but it was good. It was good enough. Hey, no! And then we got this headpiece. We got this headpiece from a local store in India. It was 250 rupees and it's really good. Look. We didn't buy the earrings, so. And then we got this ring. It looks so nice.
Okay, it just matches with my hands.
I don't remember its cost, but
It's 4. And here's a... Hey, you clicked something.
It's pink in color and it has these nice jewels. It's really fancy. And it looks nice. Corona. No, okay. Wait. We then bought this eyeliner from Lakme.
You're just showing everything.
Okay, fine. You also show something.
What?
We then bought this eyeliner from Lakme. It doesn't smudge and it's the Insta Liner water resistant eyeliner. And yeah, it's pretty bold.
This is a lip gloss that is just...
No, we just bought this. Keep it away. Oh my god. Then we bought
Whose is this?
Then we bought this e.l.f. foundation. It's my skin tone. It works for my skin tone. It is the Flawless Finish foundation.
And there's this amazing nail polish.
Yeah, it matches with my farewell dress.
Everything is just with her farewell. doesn't match with any other dress except her farewell dress.
Then we bought this makeup brush from Jewellery. One of my friends had given me a similar one, so I bought this. It came with a set of 2 other brushes, but I don't know where the other 2 are.
I feel so sad for them.
It works really well. It's good quality, though it's from Jewellery. Come on, show something.
What? Here's my head. Here's my hands.
And this Mickey Mouse one from Rawnaq. It was 5 reals, I guess.
It's actually not Mickey Mouse. It's a small crab, by the way.
No, it's Mickey Mouse.
Oh yeah, it's Mickey Mouse. But like this, it looks like a small crab. Okay, it's not my fault.
We bought this cute rubber band from Rawnaq. It's so soft.
And bushy.
That's all she has to say. Bushy.
What do I say?
Say something.
What should I say with this thing? You have explained everything. What do I say? It has a black band on it and it has a pink head. And you can even put some blush with this. And this is a really strange but amazing hairband that I just found in Rawnaq. And it looks nice, but don't ever put it in your hair because you will look like a mad tribal.
It was 5 reals.
And this is a really long clip.
Yeah, it looks so nice. Look. Normal. Very normal.
Then we bought these belts from Max. Give me foot. Then we bought earrings. Hanging ones, stud ones, flower ones, smiley ones, and whatnot. Then we bought these hanging earrings with a rose on it, which is my personal favorite. And here's a no one yes one, which is really cool. More earrings from Max.
So that's it, guys. Please like,
Share
and subscribe.